Simple ingredients, short cooking time, and a little booze. Can you imagine a better dinner at the end of the long day? Tagliatelle Ubriachi is what I suggest making tonight. And if you've just heard me saying a couple Italian words, this is a good sign and a reason to watch this episode. Here are the ingredients for the drunken pasta: garlic, red onions, fresh thyme, fresh Italian parsley, butter, olive oil, salt, red wine, tagliatelle, aka egg noodles, and a bit of Grana Padano or Parmesan to garnish at the very end. No worries memorizing all these ingredients, as I left the list of them in the description below so that you have it handy. Another thing I wanted to let you know is that I am cooking for 3 people tonight, and I'm using Italian proportions, which is roughly about 100 grams per person. This is definitely less than what people are used to here in North America, but I find that this is a really good balance between healthy eating habits and favorite foods. So if those proportions work for you, please go ahead and do the same. But if they don't, just readjust the amount of ingredients by dividing them by 3 and multiplying by a number of portions you're looking for, and you will be good. To start off, I'll bring to boil 3 liters of water, which will cook my 6 nests of tagliatelle, 2 per person. Now I have about 10 minutes until water boils, and we'll prep the sauce ingredients. First, I'll thinly slice the onions and send it to the deep, large pan. Then mince the garlic, send it to the pan as well. Now I'll just mince the parsley and set it aside to use later. Thyme leaves from sprigs go to the pan, followed by olive oil and butter. Okay, pan is ready for heat. On low to medium heat, I'll let it slowly melt, fry and soften and become translucent. Then it's time to add the red wine. I'll let it boil, then turn the heat to low so that wine slowly simmers and reduces in half, making a hearty sauce. While the sauce cooks, I'll season the boiling water with salt. It will take good 4 or 5 teaspoons for 3 liters. Add the tagliatelle, and here's what's important. Do not cook it completely. Cook only half of the time the package tells you to cook. For my pasta, this is going to be 4 minutes. Here it is, slightly soft, but not cooked through. Drain the underdone pasta, reserving a little of pasta water, and add to the pan with a wine sauce. Stir and let it simmer until the pasta absorbs all the sauce and is cooked to al dente. If it gets way too dry, add a spoon of pasta water and the problem will be resolved. Garnish with parsley, stir and carefully plate. Almost there, the very last touches. Grate the cheese over and serve the tagliatelle ubriachi on its own. It's sweet, tart, tangy, and hearty. And you can use any kind of pasta with red wine. And this is just a gorgeous, another traditional pasta that you can try cooking. I definitely recommend it, simply because you never know what you're going to like.